This RC Real Estate Group property video is presented by Darling Tate. Updated. The one you've been waiting for. Beautiful updates throughout this 2-bedroom/2-bath Gulf front condo. Long Beach Resort has one of the most desirable floor plans along PCB and is truly a unique property compared to other condominiums. The new owner will enjoy unobstructed Gulf front views from the kitchen, living room and both bedrooms. Kitchen updates include quartz kitchen countertops, tiled backsplash, cabinet doors have all been replaced and the kitchen entry wall has been cut down to the breakfast bar counter height for a more open floor plan. The living room is very spacious and easily accommodates 2 love seats, 2 gorgeous leather reclining chairs and a coffee table. These pieces of furniture, along with an area rug, have all been purchased within the past year. The master. For more information, review the details below or contact Darling Tate at 850-249-6100.